everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Life Learnings. My name is Preeti. I would like to thank you very much for all the support that you have given to my channel. Today we will do a small exercise in which I will explain to you how you could develop the habit of giving gratitude and how with a small technique you can stay in the attitude of gratitude throughout the day. So stay with me till the end of this video. Do not miss out on it. You never know, you might just have a breakthrough. Because believe me friends, giving gratitude and staying in the attitude of gratitude is the fastest way to fasten your manifestation process. As a child, I was taught by my parents that I should say thank you and sorry for various reasons. And as an obedient child, I did it as an act of good manners. And I thought it was ethically right, and so I did it. But now I decided to just research a bit into it and understand the whole gratitude stuff. And I did my own little bit of study as per my understanding, and I came to certain conclusions. I understood that acknowledging had a lot of power in it. So whether you acknowledge gratitude or you acknowledge love or you acknowledge your fears and your doubts, but the power of acknowledgement is so powerful, believe me, it's so powerful that actually and magically it resolves a lot of your issues which you're holding since a very long time in your life. We will get back to the power of acknowledgement in some other video of mine which I will come out with. You can watch my video, which is the part 4 of the sequel that I've made inspired by the book The Secret, as I have covered a lot in that as well, and it will definitely give you a lot of clarity. To watch that video, just go down in the description box and click on the link and you can watch it. So let us quickly start with one small exercise. It is very simple. I would love to share this exercise with you. If you like it, you can go ahead and try it. For that, you will need a notepad and a pen to begin with. You need to make 2 columns. One side of the column, you have to write till now. And on the other side of the column, you need to write now. So in the till now column, what you will be writing is up to 5 things that you are already grateful for that have happened in your life. Like for example, you may be thankful and grateful for the house that you live in, for the family that you have, for a certain situation which turned around for your benefit. Don't write many points, because what happens is we don't want to clutter the mind with too many things at a time. In the other column where you have written now, please pen down any 2 of your goals or desires that you are yet to manifest in your physical reality. But you need to write it in the present tense. We will make a small affirmation of it. For example, you want a particular job. So we will write, I am now grateful for or thankful for this job. Remember that you need to be a bit specific, because it's only then that the universe will be able to understand what exactly are you looking for. For example, if I was to ask you for a job, if I tell you, yeah, I want a job, you'll say, but what kind of job? Give me some information. What kind of designation are you looking for? What is the salary you're expecting? What location are you wanting to work in? So the same thing works with the universe. You have to be a bit specific. You just need to write, I am now grateful that I have got this job in so and so location, at so and so place, in so and so company, with so and so salary. Then the other thing, whatever you want to write. Now I'll explain to you what happens when you give gratitude in these 2 ways. In the first column, that is till now, you're actually giving gratitude for things that have already materialized in your physical reality. And by doing so, by giving gratitude, that is, you're acknowledging, you're completing yourself with those people, those things and those situations, and that in turn makes you feel whole and complete. So that is an entire process. Then in the now part, by giving gratitude for something that you're awaiting for, sends reminders to the universe that you're waiting. Since you focus on something regularly, if you do it several times in a day, what happens is, as a simple law, wherever your attention goes, energy flows and things grow. Correct? That keeps you focused and it sends reminders to the universe and it fastens the process of your manifestation. Now we will do a small technique which you can definitely try if you want to stay in the attitude of gratitude throughout the day. For that you will just need a phone. Most of us keep our phones with us throughout the day. Even at bedtime we don't leave it, we just keep it next to our bedside, correct? So what you need to do is you need to go to the Notes app, open your notes and type these both gratitudes, the till now and the now. And in the morning when you get up, the first thing that you need to do is you need to open your notes and you need to read them out. The till now, read it, feel it as much as you can. Be grateful for whatever you have. Then in the now part, read it and feel it as much as you can, because your feelings will create those high vibrations. Thought of giving gratitude creates your feelings and feelings create your vibrations, and those vibrations will reach the universe. So you need to feel it as much as you can and feel grateful for having it. Now don't keep the phone, you still need to do something more. So now set an alarm for 4 hours from the time that you have read the notes. Suppose it is 9 a.m. in the morning, set an alarm for 1 p.m. in the afternoon. And now at 1 p.m. when the alarm rings, you again have to open the notes and repeat the same procedure. If you want to omit the till now part, you can do so, because I feel doing that just once in a day is more than enough. So do the now section at 1 o'clock, and in addition, whatever has happened with you in the last 4 hours, if there is any incident that you need to be grateful for, you can add that. Just mentally think of it and be thankful for it. That's it. In case any bad incident has happened with you, please do not focus on it. Just completely let it go and only focus on the things that you need to be grateful for. Okay? Now at 1 p.m. again you set an alarm for 4 hours later, which is at around 5 o'clock, and you will repeat this procedure. You will also give gratitude for things and incidences which have happened in the last 4 hours, that is between 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. And you will repeat this till you go to bed, and the next morning again you will repeat it. So what will gradually happen is that you will learn to stay in the attitude of gratitude. Believe me, very soon you will not even need the mobile phone, you will not even need the alarms. It will automatically start happening on a subconscious level. And I want to explain to you, I'm so excited to explain this entire process to you. What happens when you learn to stay in the attitude of gratitude, you're always emitting the vibes of gratitude. See friends, we are energy, correct? So we are always emitting some vibes, whether they are good vibes, bad vibes, whatever. So when you start emitting the vibrations of gratitude, the universe sends you back more situations for you to be grateful for. That's how it works. So imagine you will feel, oh wow, I'm grateful for this, I'm grateful for that, oh thank you for this. So throughout the day you will have more things and situations happening in your life for you to be grateful about. That is the beauty about staying in the attitude of gratitude. So thank you so much. In case you have liked this video, in case it has been of any help to you, do give me a like. And all those of you who have yet not subscribed or who are new to my channel, kindly do subscribe to my channel so that it helps me grow my channel. I'm sending you loads of love, luck and light in your life. Thank you so much.